teachers, guests, and my dear friends. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of drug addiction. Drug addiction is becoming a serious problem all over the world. The number of teenagers and young people getting addicted to drugs increasing day by day. Many various types of drugs like cocaine, marijuana, heroin, etc. are consumed by drug addicts worldwide. They spend a lot of money to purchase drugs. Lack of confidence, excess of stress, peer pressure, etc. are some of the causes of drug addiction. Many a time, youngsters get addicted by drugs when they see others consuming it. It is necessary that everyone in society stay away from drugs as a responsibility. It has a negative effect on physical as well as mental health. Irregular heartbeat, respiratory problems, lung cancer, kidney damage, etc. Mood swings, depression, anxiety, confusion are some of the emotional effects of drug addiction. It is better to stay away from drug addictions. You should move towards healthy options to handle stress and pressure. We must say no to drugs and take steps to free our society from drug addictions. India is facing with many problems. Drug addiction is one of them. Many organizations are working to remove this evil. Everyone should behave politely with addicts. Government should take strict action and punish drug smugglers. So, if we want to develop our country, then we remove this evil immediately. Thank you to all of you. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.
جزاك الله خيرا.